when we look at supplementation, a lot of the concern seems to be around the oxidation of those omega-3s. The ones that I have, for example, they're in a glass bottle. They have vitamin E with it, I think, to prevent some of that oxidation. They don't say they have to be refrigerated. I do that because I feel like it's safer. I mean, what do we need to look at here? There are some bottles, right? If you go into like your health food shop, pick them up, and they're under quite extensive lighting. They're in plastic. You open it up, and actually, it smells very fishy. Mine don't. Is the smell of the fish any indication? Give us the lowdown on supplementation.
Yeah, I keep coming back to this. I think there's overblown concerns about oxidation of fish oils. There have been actual studies done where the investigator had exactly this question: is an oxidized fish oil bad for you? I mean, and so what they did, they super oxidized a whole bunch of fish oil. They actually bubbled oxygen, pure oxygen, through a vat of fish oil in open air. This is Nobody ever does this. This is crazy, because people who encapsulate fish oils do it under an inert atmosphere. There's no oxygen. So they use nitrogen or argon or some other gas to cover the fish oil and so when it's encapsulated, once it's encapsulated, that oxygen can't get through that capsule. So they're terribly well taken care of. But in this study done in Norway several years ago, they intentionally oxidized fish oil, and then they put it in capsules, and then they randomized healthy volunteers to take the oxidized fish oil or the same stuff that had been cared for like it normally is to keep oxygen out. And then they measured blood markers of oxidation, of blood markers of inflammation. They measure effects on blood lipids after about 8 weeks of taking these things. And they didn't find anything. They couldn't find any adverse effect of taking these outrageously oxidized fish oils. So to me, that, the tiny amount of oxidation you might have in a standard fish oil pill is meaningless from the overall health effect of the product. Now, if you open a bottle and you smell fishy, it could be the encapsulation was not done right, and you got fish oil leaking out of those capsules. That's bad. I wouldn't use that stuff, but not because it's oxidized per se. It's because the encapsulation was just done wrong, and it should not smell fishy.
Okay, so then there's more of a purity issue.
Yeah, it's more of a purity and care in manufacturing.
Yeah, that makes sense. Well, I mean, that's reassuring as well, I think, to a lot of people.